Good morning, students. Today we are going to complete our chapter The Enemy by Pearl S. Buck. And in my last video, I have already explained you that Sadao waited for 3 nights. Okay, and this wait for 3 nights led fresh plan in Sadao's mind. He decided to make the man thrive for his safety and freedom. He thought of the island near his house, which was easily accessible. He equipped the man with boat, quilts, a cloth to cover his head and hair. He sent him to the island and advised him to wait for a Korean fishing boat. He also gave him a flashlight and said, "If you are all right, but still there, signal me once daily, okay, at the time of sunset." Now, we knew it very well. In my last video I have already described you that Sadao instructed the man. He said that if his stock of food finished before he found a Korean fishing boat, he could signal him with 2 flashes of the टॉर्च कि अगर तुम्हारा खाना ख़त्म हो जाए तो तुम मुझे क्या करना, 2 फ्लैश करना इवनिंग में एट डर्क्स टाइम. ओके, ही आस्क्ड हिम टू बी केयरफुल नॉट टू सिग्नल व्हेन इट वाज डार्क. Means he had given him all the instructions. Okay, and then he was dressed now in the Japanese clothes which Sadao had given him, and at the last moment Sadao wrapped a black cloth about his blonde head. Now Sadao said. The young American, without a word, shook Sadao's hand warmly and then walked quite well across the floor and down the step into the darkness of the garden. Once, twice, Sadao saw his light flash to point his way, but that would not be suspected. He waited until from the shore there was one more flash. Then he closed the partition. That night he slept. So the point to be noted over here that the young American, means what? When Sadao had given him all the instruction, then the young American was about to leave. So the man wore the traditional Japanese dress that Sadao gave him to wear. Finally, Sadao wrapped a black cloth around his head to hide his golden colored hair. Fine. And then we had a scene over here that the young American, without a word, okay, the young American shook hands with Sadao as he walked away towards the boat. He used the torch twice to find his way, but the guards would not doubt that. Sadao waited till he saw the torchlight once more as the man boarded the boat. Sadao closed the door of the partition and slept well that night, as he had finally got rid of the man. Now I would like to tell you, on the day when prisoner of war was made to escape from Japan, on the same day an emergency call was there from General's palace, as General Takima was in pain and Sadao had to leave for the palace. For what? For the operation. Means an emergency call, or you can say an emergency operation. So here we are going to read in this paragraph, after 1 week. After 1 week means, you say the man escaped, the journal asks faintly. It means he had been operated upon a week before, an emergency operation to which Sadao had been called in the night. In the night means उसी रात में, जिस रात में जो prisoner of war को उसने क्या किया था, escape करने में help की थी, उसको उसने भगाया था, उसी रात an emergency call था, ऑपरेशन हुआ था. फाइन. सो 1 week has been passed very, you can say, successfully. किस चीज़ के लिए? 2 चीज़ें हुई. एक तो ऑपरेशन हो चुका था, उसको भी 1 week हो चुका है, एंड जनरल तकीमा का ऑपरेशन, एंड प्रिजनर ऑफ वॉर के जाने, प्रिजनर ऑफ वॉर जो भागा था, जो उसको उसने भगाया था, उसको भी 1 week हो चुका. फाइन. सो you say the man escaped. The journal asks faintly. He had been operated upon a week before, an emergency operation to which Sadao had been called in the night. Now getting my point, in the night क्यों है? In the night, on that same night. For 12 hours, Sadao had not been sure the journal would leave. On that night, when General Takima was operated upon, at that time, for 12 hours, it was very, you can say, it was very high risk for the General Takima. Sadao had not been sure the journal would leave. The gallbladder was much involved. Then the old man had begun to breathe deeply again and to demand food. And after 12 hours, General Takima had started responding, okay, and he asked for food. Sadao had not been able to ask about the ascensions. At that time, he did not ask for the killers, कि आपने killers भेजे थे या नहीं भेजे थे. So far as he knew, they had never come. The servants had returned, okay, and Yumi had cleaned the guest room thoroughly and had burnt sulfur in it to get the white man's smell out of it. Nobody said anything, only the gardener was cross because he had got behind with his chrysanthemums flowers, okay. ये फ्लावर होते हैं अमेरिकन फ्लावर्स एक टाइप के. बट आफ्टर अ वीक सदाव फेल्ट द जर्नल वॉज वेल इनफ टू बी स्पोकन टू अबाउट द prisoner. So gallbladder, you all know very well, organ beneath the liver, in which bile is stored after secretion by the liver and before release into the intestine. A week ago, the journal had been operated upon in the emergency in which Sadao took part. Sadao informed him that the man escaped. Sadao ने कहा कि आदमी जा चुका है. Sadao said that the man escaped. The journal was weak as he was recovering from the operation. For 12 hours after the operation, his condition was critical. And Sadao was not sure that he would survive. They had operated upon his gallbladder. Okay. फिर उसके बाद में वहाँ पे the journal was an old man. After the operation, gradually he started eating food and breathed deeply. Sadao did not have the courage to ask him what happened to the professional killers that he had promised to send to kill the American man. उसने ऑपरेशन के दौरान नहीं पूछा कि आपने भेजा था या नहीं भेजा था. Sadao knew that the killers did not turn up ever. At Sadao's home, things returned to normal. The servants returned. Sadao के घर पे servants आ चुके थे. Fine. And Yumi used to sulfur, an animal, chemical element used as a disinfectant, जैसे हम साफ सफाई करने के लिए लगाते हैं, जर्म्स वगैरह दूर करने के लिए, okay. And at Sadao's home, things returned to normal. The servants returned. Yumi used sulfur to disinfect the room used by the American man. The servants did not speak anything. But the gardener was annoyed because he had got late to plant the chrysanthemums flowers due to this incident. Okay, beautiful flower, pink color and pink color flower are there. Okay, chrysanthemums flower. But after a week, Sadao felt that the journal was well enough to be spoken to about the prisoner. Means 1 week was passed very you can say was passed very successfully. बहुत आराम से निकल गया एक हफ्ता. After 1 week, Sadao felt that the journal was well enough that he could discuss the man with him. Sadao said that the man had escaped. Sadao ने बताया कि सर वो तो भाग चुका है. Sadao coughed up, which indicated that Sadao had not told him everything as he did not want to disturb him. Sadao वहाँ पे cough करने लगा. Yes, Excellency. He escaped. Yes, Excellency, he escaped. Sadao now said he coughed, signifying that he had not said all he might have said, but was unwilling to disturb the journal further. But the old man opened his eyes suddenly. That prisoner, he said with some energy, did I not promise you I would kill him for you? So at that time, yes, Excellency. Okay. So Sadao coughed up, which indicated that Sadao had not told him everything as he did not want to disturb him. The journal was reminded of his Then the journal was reminded of his promise to send the professional killers, and he opened his eyes suddenly when he heard about the American man. क्या भाग गए? कैसे भाग गया? That prisoner. Okay, that prisoner, he said with some energy, did I not promise you I would kill him for you? You did, Excellency. Sadao said. Well, the old man said in a tone of amazement. So I did, but you see, I was suffering a good deal. The truth is, I thought of nothing but myself. In short, I forgot my promise to you. I wondered, Your Excellency, Sadao murmured. So the journal felt sorry that he had been careless. He added that it was neither that he did not love Japan nor that he was shrinking from his duty. Okay, and he looked at Sadao with curiosity as he sought support from him. He wondered that Sadao understood his problem. So over here we have understood that when Journal was reminded of his promise and asked Sadao that he had not promised him to get that man killed by, and asked Sadao that had he not कि मैंने तुमको promise नहीं किया था कि मैं मरवा दूंगा. Sadao replied that he had promised him. Journal was surprised and said that as he was suffering due to bad health, he had forgotten कि मैं भूल गया all about the promise he had made. He had made. Journal confessed that he had forgotten to send the Ascension's killers. It was certainly very careless of me. Okay. The journal said, but you understand, it was not lack of patriotism or dereliction of duty. He looked anxiously at his doctor. If the matter should come out, you would understand that, wouldn't you? Certainly, Your Excellency, Sadao said, is suddenly comprehending that the journal was in the palm of his hand and that, as a consequence, he himself was perfectly safe. I can swear to your loyalty, Excellency said to the old journal, and to your zeal against the enemy. You are a good man, the journal murmured, and closed his eyes. You will be rewarded. So, over here, Sadao replied that he had promised him. Journal was surprised and said that he was suffering due to bad health. He had forgotten all about the promise that he had made. Sadao spoke softly that he wondered that the journal had forgotten his promise. Journal felt sorry that he had been careless. He added that it was neither that he did not love Japan, nor that he was shrinking from his duty. ऐसा नहीं है कि dereliction means failure to perform one's duty. मैं मेरी duty के लिए बहुत लॉयल हूँ. But he looked at Sadao with curiosity as he sought support from me. He wondered that Sadao understood this problem. Because Sadao said that he understood the journal's position well. He understood that the journal was in his control, and as a result, he understood and he felt that as a result, Sadao was safe. Sadao said that he could swear upon the journal's loyalty towards Japan and his enthusiasm to fight the enemy. Okay, so journal intentionally did not send the killers because he knew very well if there would be, you can say, some lacuna, then what would happen? Sadao would be in problem and journal might face some problem. Okay, so journal was relaxed over here and said that Sadao was a good man. He closed his eyes and said that Sadao would be rewarded for his goodness. Okay, so then further, but Sadao, searching the spot of black in the twilighted sea that night, had his reward. There was no prick of light in the dark. No one was on the island. His prisoner was gone, safe, doubtless, for he had warned him to wait only for a Korean fishing boat. So, what happened over here? That the Sadao journal promised to give him some reward. But Sadao got his reward. When at dusk he looked towards the island and saw no trace of torchlight. This meant that the American man had found a Korean fishing boat and had gone with it safely back home. Sadao did not doubt this as he had instructed the man to wait for a Korean fishing boat. Now Sadao recalled some memories. He stood for a moment on the veranda, gazing out to the sea from whence the young man had come that other night, and into his mind, although without reason, there came other white faces he had known. The professor at whose house he had met Hannah, a dull man, and his wife, and his wife had been a silly, talkative woman in spite of her wish to be kind. He remembered his old teacher of anatomy who had been so insistent on mercy with the knife, and then he remembered the face of his fat and slenderly landlady. He had had great difficulty in finding a place to live in America because he was a Japanese. The Americans were full of prejudice and it had been bitter to live in it. Knowing himself their superior, how he had despised the ignorant and dirty old woman who had at last consented to house him in her miserable home. He had once tried to be grateful to her because she had in his last year nursed him through nursed him what nursed him through influenza, but it was difficult for her, for she was no less repulsive to him in her kindness. Now he remembered the youthful haggard face of his prisoner, white and repulsive. Strange, he thought, I wonder why I could not kill him. So Journal was relaxed. He closed his eyes and said that Sadao would be rewarded for his goodness. But Sadao got his reward when at dusk he looked toward the island and saw not trace of torchlight. This meant that the American man had found a Korean fishing boat and had gone with it safely back home. Fine, and had gone safely white with it safely back home. Now, Sadao stood in veranda and recollected the past events. He looked at the sea from where the man had come that night. He had flashbacks of all the Americans he had met in his life. The dull professor at whose house he had met Hannah. The dull professor. Okay, so the professor, and into his mind, although without reason there came other white faces he had known. The professor at whose house he had met Hannah, a dull man, and his wife had been a silly, talkative woman in spite of her wish to be kind. He remembered his old teacher of anatomy. So we can see over here that he recalled his American professor, okay, and then he recalled his silly talkative wife who was very kind. He remembered his teacher of anatomy who had taught them to cut open the body with the knife, okay. Then he remembered the fat untidy landlady. Being a Japanese, he had found an accommodation in America with great difficulty. He hated living there, knowing that the Japanese were superior to the Americans. क्योंकि जब वो रहता था तो उसको पता है कि Americans अपने आप को superior समझते हैं and still being treated like inferiors. Sadao disliked the dirty old woman who finally agreed to let him live in her home, which was in a bad condition. Sadao tried to be thankful to her because she had taken care of him when he was struck by influenza. So Sadao had given him his thanks during the last year of his stay in America. It was difficult for Sadao to be thankful to her as he hated her even though she was kind to him. Sadao hated her so much that her kindness also did not make him like her. Finally, Sadao remembered the weak face of the American prisoner. It was white in color and was terrible. Sadao felt that it was strange that he could not kill his enemy. It was very strange. So, out of the fear of being accused of sheltering an enemy, he narrates the incident to the journal in the Japanese military. Journal helps Dr. Sadao and offers to get the man killed by hired killers. However, the killing does not take place, we knew very well. And after waiting for 3 nights, Dr. Sadao thinks of getting rid of the American man. And finally, we have come to know that he provides him necessities like food and clothing to survive till he finds a Korean fishing boat which could rescue him. Dr. Sadao at last wonders why he saved the life of an enemy. Why he saved the life of an enemy. Okay. So we have understood over here that Dr. Sadao is trapped in a dilemma. On one hand, being a doctor, having moral and ethical responsibility to save the wounded soldier, and on the other hand, being a patriot to let the enemy die or hand him over to the army. He fulfills his ethical responsibility, saves the man, saves the man, okay, risks his own life, his family, reputation, and then later, as a patriot, plans to get him killed with the help of the army journal. Later on, again he helps him escape. Later on, again he helps him escape, which reflects his true personality. So this is the chapter. We have completed that. Moral values of a doctor raised high over here in this chapter. Okay, moral values, doctor's ethics were raised high, and that's why he had not only treated prisoner of war but also helped him in his escape. Thank you. Have a nice day. And we have already completed this chapter, and I hope that you all have understood very well. And still, if there is problem, you can ask me on WhatsApp or in chat box of Scholars ERP. Thank you. Have a nice day.